For 30 years, Bernie Madoff ran the most successful investment firm on Wall Street. There was just one problem. None of it was real. Madoff promised his exclusive clients something impossible: steady returns of 10 to 12% every single year. No matter what happened to the market, celebrities lined up to invest. Banks begged to get in. Hedge funds felt honored just to hand him their money. His secret? There were no investments at all. Madoff was running a massive Ponzi scheme. He used money from new investors to pay the old ones. For 3 decades, he kept fake trading records. He hired his own family as accomplices. He operated from the 17th floor of a Manhattan skyscraper, stealing $65 billion. Then came 2008. The financial crisis hit. Panicked investors wanted their money back, $7 billion worth. Money that didn't exist. Madoff confessed everything to his sons. They turned him in immediately. The most trusted man on Wall Street was actually its biggest thief.